Hey, it's Chris at Certified Automotive Experts. If you're doing an LS swap on a square body, you've got to see this. These headers are a game changer. Here's a quick look at our completely redesigned LS swap long tube header for C10, K10 pickup, 73 to 87. They're made for square bodies. While building this truck, we've had a great opportunity to test fit some of these headers, and as you can see, real world testing matters. We believe our new design of LS swap headers for square bodies is the best fitting design that's out there. This is our 84 K10 project. We've got a 6.2 liter LS style engine in there and a 6-speed 6L80. Just want to show you the nice frame clearance here, and also transmission and suspension clearance, engine mount clearance, and over here, same thing. Tons of frame clearance. There's a closer look showing the clearance between the headers and the transmission case on the passenger side. All right, now we're gonna look at drive shaft clearance. This truck is a 6-inch lift, so we have the drive shaft sitting here mopped up on top of the yoke, so it's about 3 inches higher than where it's gonna sit on this truck. From there, we need to go up another 3 inches to be equal to the 6-inch lift. So take it up from here, 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches. Let's go up another inch for a margin of error. Take a look at our drive shaft clearance. Plenty of clearance. Go another inch. We still got plenty of clearance, even with suspension travel. There's the spark plug wire clearance, and while we're here, we can talk about that weld on the outside of the tube right there. Those header pipes are fully welded to the flange all the way around on the inside. So that's just extra measure right there. These are coated with our black aluminized thermal barrier coating. You can also get them in polished stainless steel. If you're doing a square body LS swap, these headers are going to make your life easier.